This page we will discuss fruits of meditation. Fruits means the result of meditation. What are we going to achieve through meditation? Meditation relaxes and purifies the mind, body and soul. How? By taking out all the negative things from our mind, from our body and from our soul. It builds up more positive attitude towards self, others and life realities. Okay, positive attitude means taking everything in a positive light, right? When we talk about self, then many children feel, like we discussed earlier also, that they do not have any good quality. That is negative attitude. Or as far as others are concerned, that other people, they do not like them. Okay, the other people, their friends, they do not like them, they do not want to be with them. That is also negative attitude. And life realities, that I'm the one who suffers a lot, I'm the one who gets everything that is wrong happens with me. Okay, these are negative attitudes. They are driven out of your system if you meditate. Then meditation also improves physical and mental health. It increases the concentration power, which is so very important for students. Now, why students need to meditate? Many reasons are there. Because lives are busier. We are engrossed with so many activities. There are so many things that students have to do on a daily basis. Then willpower is less, or less we can say willpower is weak. Okay, we easily give into temptation. Then distractions are there. Distractions, television, social media, friends, all these things are distractions. Meditation is required to develop better health, enhance performance or improve oneself. Okay, regular meditation has marvelous power to make one's life brighter and happier. It is like a curative medicine. It promotes physical, mental and spiritual health. What is meant by curative medicine? Curative medicine means medicine that has the power to cure. Okay, so meditation has curative powers also, just like medicine. It promotes physical, mental and spiritual health. Okay, promotes means improve physical health, mental health and spiritual health, because many things that we suffer from are result of negative attitude or negativity that is within us and around us. So meditation lifts us from all these negative things and bring positivity in our lives. Long hours of intense meditation are not expected from students, because obviously we cannot expect students to give say 5, 6, 7, 10 hours to meditation only. But what students can do, they can meditate at least 10 minutes twice a day, only that. Once in the morning, once in the evening, that is sufficient. Now, the methods of meditation are mentioned here. How the students can meditate: either a breathing exercise they can undertake, that is called pranayam, or slow chanting of a mantra or naam jap, that is what they can do while meditating. These are methods of meditation. Okay, how you can meditate. Or they can also focus on a devotional picture. They can keep a devotional picture in front of them, or they can focus on a little flame, right? Or paying attention to a devotional song, thanking for all good and bad things of life, repeating a short prayer, reciting an inspiring short sentence, or sharing your inner feelings with God. Any of these methods the children can adopt in order to meditate, right? With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Meditation, if you meditate, it will definitely increase your inner strength, power of concentration and intellectual powers. Okay, then an activity is given to you. You are asked to meditate initially 10 times a day, and then you record your experience, what changes you observe in your life. We move on to the next page, that is related to the question answers. First question is, write 3 health benefits of silence. Okay, in this you can write these benefits. Silence prevents plaque formation in arteries. That is true, scientifically proven. Then it lowers blood pressure. It boosts body's immune system. It decreases stress, or we can say it relieves tension. Next question is, how did the poor boy in the story learn to meditate? In this you can take your points from page number 26 to 27, that this poor boy was not a smart boy. He was not very intellectually bright boy. He got to know that if he gets a mantra from a guru, then his life would change. He will become his disciple. Guru teaches him or tells him that God will teach him. Okay, so he takes it as his mantra and he chants it every day, 25 years continuously, and finally he feels that God is the one who is actually teaching him, and he is able to meditate. Now we come to the third question, what is meditation? The answer is here on page number 27, towards the end of the page. These lines you can write in your answer. Starting from here, meditation is an activity which leads to more and more awareness or mental consciousness of reality, that is awareness of self, others and God, and in one word it can be defined as single-minded concentration. Now the next question, why do you need meditation? The answer is here, fruits of meditation or result of meditation. These are the things that we achieve when we meditate. Next question, why is meditation compared with curative medicine? Meditation is compared with curative medicine because it promotes physical, mental and spiritual health. Right, children? We come to true and false. The first sentence is, regular meditation has marvelous power to make one's life brighter and happier. It is true. Then selection of a fixed time and place will not have any impact on growth in meditation. That is false. It is very important. Next, meditation does not improve our physical and mental health. Again false. Meditation illumines the intellect and sharpens the memory. True. Students need not meditate. False. Okay. At the bottom of the page here, two columns are given to you. The topic is meditation and you are asked to write required conditions to grow. Okay, what are the conditions that are required? The conditions are here on page number 27. These are the 5 conditions that are required in order so that meditation grows or you are able to meditate. Outcome of meditation, outcome, result of meditation, points you can take from here, right? Okay, now we move on to next page. It is, let us complete filling the blanks. Many disciples learned Vedas and mantras from the Guru. The air in the atmosphere is filled with, obviously, God's presence. Meditation relaxes and purifies mind, body and soul. Then silence is an essential element for meditation and silence will help you to solve your problems. We come to this part section which says, who said the following? This line, the first line, as he comes close, place the gift before him, fall at his feet. This line is said by the disciples. Okay, then next sentence, son, I don't remember that you came to me and obtained wisdom. This was said by the Guru. Then next one, but I know I am with God and God is with me. We sit together in deep silence. This was said by the holy man. Now here, why we have written the holy man and not the little boy? Because when he spoke this sentence, at that time he had grown into a holy man. Okay, he had become an adult and he was addressed as, he was known as the holy man. That's why. Right, children? The chapter ends with a short prayer. Read this prayer. It is a very beautiful prayer. And children, please meditate. It is going to help you in your life for a very, very, very long time. Make it a regular habit and you will see a sea change in yourself. Okay, with this we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you so much, children.